Very neat. The magic trick would last longer if our air compressor wasn't like 1 gallon. All right, let's get this boost gauge on Wago. Thank you. Gonna pull the tire pressure boost gauge out of the hatch. Tire pressure. Put it in Wago. I don't even know if this thing still works. It was working when we took my car out last. I think it might leak a little bit. You want to hold that? There we go. Let's go put it on Wago. Alright, gonna double check, make sure it works. Hey, stop. It doesn't need that much pressure.
I barely pressed it.
Alright, go easy on it. I can like barely hear it leaking, but it's not gonna.
It's at the top.
It's not going to affect anything.
It's leaking up the top.
I hate how this camera won't focus. Charlie's on the pit bike. That little 125 rips. It's getting dark out. Turn the headlight on.
I forgot you don't have a back brake.
Yeah, it's a little sketchy. This thing only has a front brake that barely works.
Yeah.
So, kind of got a downshift to stop. Try to jump it off our really shitty jump. Almost ate shit. Let me try it.
That's so sketch. That pole. How close were you?
Dude, I cleared the whole board. I'm gonna try it again.
You almost hit that parking sign.
So I busted out like one of my windshield wiper sprayers a while ago, and I just kind of took it all apart, and I never put a new one back in since then. And we're just gonna take this boost gauge that we made and put some tape around it and shove it through that hole. There we go.
It's sturdy.
Sick.
Not at all.
Nope. Here, get up on here. In case anyone hasn't seen this gauge already, this one reads from 1 to 20 pounds. So we'll be able to accurately measure the boostage we're running.
Out the hood.
Yep. Don't gotta worry about pulling your interior out to run hoses. I'm gonna put some more tape on the outside just to secure it.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, it didn't fit very well. Everyone's gonna be looking at the hood like, what the fuck is that?
It's just gonna be flapping.
Like, probably, with all the wind on it, it's like not even gonna be able to come up. Oh, it's pretty good. I'll bring some tape with us in case it falls off.
You should put some to balance it on
Oh,
that.
yeah, we should be an engineer.
I know.
We'll just run it like that.
Hey, where's your line?
Do not know. Oh, it's right here. Run that like that, and then you just run this guy right here. And we're good to go. I'm just kind of tuck the extra back behind there where no one can see it.
And zip tie those.
Yeah, I'll put some zip ties on the fittings so they don't pop off because it does make a lot of boost, you know.
About 50 pounds
Yeah.
on low boost.
Sick.
Make sure it doesn't.
Yeah, make sure it doesn't hit on anything under here. Wow, dude, this kid has so much room.
Yeah.
There we go.
Let's take it for a test run real quick while it's still light out.
Yeah. We're losing some light. It's getting dark.
Remove my Subaru.
Smells like chicken nuggets in here.
It smells like starter fluid.
True.
So much more convenient than having a boost gauge where you can't see it.
Yeah, dude, I'm honestly probably gonna leave it like that. It looks pretty dope.
Yeah.
Made 2 pounds. Yeah. Not warm at all, but it should be good enough. Can you read what it's saying?
No. It's focusing on the windshield.
Is it?
Yeah. I could try and go out.
Outside.
Alright, we're going for an outside shot. Yeah,
I think the wind holds it back just barely.
yeah,
It
I'm
doesn't
sure.
come out all the way.